This one has it all. Beautiful lakefront front home on Lake Sinclair with everything you need to enjoy the lake life. Stunning view and 16 feet water depth. 3-bedroom/3B home fully furnished with a separate bunkhouse for the kids or your weekend guests. Open concept floor plan. Walk-in pantry. Great room features a wood-burning fireplace to enjoy those cozy winter getaways. Every bedroom has its own gorgeous view of the lake and walk-out porch/deck. Master bedroom includes walk-in closet and an ensuite with cultured marble double vanity, garden tub and separate shower. Tile floors in bathrooms and new vanities. Enjoy 3 levels of outdoor seating or the stunning pavilion with vaulted ceiling that includes a bar area and plenty of seating for all your friends and family. Boathouse/dock with a place for all the play toys, including 2 boat lifts, 2 jet ski lifts and storage space. Concrete seawall sprinkler system, water filtration system, laundry room and separate storage building. All new.